Well, look what showed up in the mail today. I'm really excited for this. I've got 2 Tru-Tone Christmas light packages, or Tru-Tone bulbs, as they say. I bought these with my own money because I guess I'm just addicted. And this package was actually kind of opened, so that was odd. It looks like it kind of got caught on something, because it's kind of ripped up over here. But I did order the blow mold sign, so I'm pretty sure that's what this is, because I guess when you're addicted to something, you buy the things they use to advertise. I don't know what you would call it. But, oh, they did tie it in here, so even though it was open, it's not a big deal. There's a little string right there, but I'm kind of excited for this. I asked them about it a year ago, and I was just like on a Facebook post, and they're like, yeah, but they're really expensive. Oh, look at that. So, there we go. There is the sign. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's wrapped in plastic. Let's open it and let's see what we have. Oh, it's shiny. That's cool. There's a piece of paper down here. Got some instructions. There was no sticker in there. Look at that. That's in really good shape too. So I don't know if it was like used on something or they just had made extra to sell. But there we go. So it's got a plug. Oh, the nice wires on it. We've got the plug on the back, and there's the front. So it's about, I think, 24 inches, they said. But there we go. I'll turn it on at the end of the video and we'll come check it out. But I ordered some of their new stuff because I wanted to try something different this year. But the other box should have my light bulbs and everything, so let's check that out real quick. This is box number 2. It came in 2 boxes, so that one came in its own box. It took about a week to ship to me, which is about typical. But they're always nicely packed. Look at that. So they're not going anywhere. I'll take this out. And another sticker. I've got lots of stickers because apparently I have an addiction. And we'll add that to our collection. I have some on my kayaks that we camp with, and I actually have one on my car. So let's see what we got here. Oh, the new star. I do have the old star, but it didn't work out perfect like they would hope, so they fixed it. And I think there was like a black rubber on the bottom from what I saw online. Yeah, so see right here, definitely, you know, seems more solid, closed. Not gonna open it. I'm sure the inside's even better. It says it's completely redesigned, but has Tru-Tone. I think it's like stamped aluminum, but that's pretty cool. Nice and shiny. It has the plugins right here, 5 of them. They'll go on top of our tree. I'm going to do a white tree this year. Oh, and it came with straps to connect it to the tree. So I guess they said not to put the tree in the bottom, but I guess some people were trying to stick this through the bottom. This might actually even be smaller down here, and stick the tree in there, but you're supposed to put it to the top of the tree, Velcro it to the tree, or use these zip ties. Nice thick green wire again. So that's cool. We'll do the lights real quick. So I ordered all these, and then my neighborhood decided they wanted to do a red and white theme, which is really cool. I'm usually just kind of like that house that has all the lights, but they are going to do that. So I might have to order some more red and light colors. Here's orange. Oh, they're labeled as amber. These are for Halloween. I'm going to put them on my front steps for Halloween. I've had white ones on all summer. And so that's what those are for. So those are the orange. Let's move on to see what's down here. And we have blue. I bought some new blues because some of mine were starting to fade. So that's why I basically bought a whole box of blue, just kind of replace some of them. I think these are the Cobalt blue. I don't remember exactly. I think one was a little bit cheaper, so I bought them. I don't need it to be exactly a certain type. There's like 2 different blues that they have. So there's blue I bought, and that honestly is to replace some of mine that faded. but they fade on any of the brands that I have, so that's not really a difference. Here is Cobalt blue. So maybe these are the ones that were a little bit cheaper. We'll compare them real quick. We've got Cobalt blue, and then these are labeled as just blue. So let's see. I know they're big and small. Yeah, this one's definitely darker. They're smaller, so maybe that, but the Cobalt blue is darker than the one that's just labeled blue. And if you don't know Christmas lights, these are C9s. These are the bigger ones. These are what I put around my house. And these are C7, kind of like what you might see on an old Christmas tree. So those are the size difference right there. So let's put those back and we'll move on to the next one. I also picked up the cup because it's new. Oh, these are the CandleGlow. These are the clear ones. I'm going to do a clear Christmas tree this year. Last year I had 4 colors, so there should just be 4 boxes of these. Last year I had just blue, white, green, and yellow, I believe. So these are the 4 just clear ones that I'm going to do. And then this is something, I don't really know much about this, but because I've turned into a fanboy and they were doing something new, I was like, I'm going to buy it. I am not that old to know everything about vintage stuff, but this is a Sales Award Tru-Tone promotional glass mug, 13 ounces. It says, congratulations, you won a sales award, microwave safe. Oh, there we go. It is right-handed or left-handed, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm gonna pretend I won an award of buying stuff online, I guess. So we'll open this up. It's like a milk glass. My wife was actually kind of explaining it to me. Said my mom has a candy jar that we use kind of like this. So let's see if we can get this open. And oh, it is glass. It is heavy. I honestly didn't know if it was glass or plastic. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Vintage color, Tru-Tone bulbs, bright warm glow. So I actually have a shelf with some Tru-Tone bulbs, some vintage Coleman lanterns, and a Lego cabin set. And I'm going to put this on that. So this is really just going to be a conversation piece when people come over because they're always looking at my lanterns. But there is the Tru-Tone promotional glass mug, 13 ounces. So, get my hand around it. Definitely glass. It's actually really thick. That's really cool. Don't know how much I would drink from it, but it's got a nice color. It's green with a really popping red right there. It's kind of reflecting. We'll see if we can get a better angle. There we go. Maybe I'll come take another picture and you can see there what it looks like. But there we go. So now let's go put this on the shelf and then let's go check out what this Tru-Tone bulb looks like when I plug it in. All right, I have an outlet right here. So we're going to plug the back. I don't want to sharpen or scrape it. I might put this next to my all-white Christmas tree this year. We're going to plug it in and we're going to see what it looks like. There we go. It's not doing, oh, there's an on button. See, oh, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, cool. So that has a dimmer on it. So there's definitely a lot of light right here, a little bit darker at the top, a little bit darker, so they must have some bulbs in there. I assume they're just like the CandleGlow bulbs in there. Can't really open it up to see without doing some work, but look, there's a dimmer, so down, going all the way, very bright. No, I don't really see any flicker, so that's good. The camera might pick up a little bit more, but as someone who does get annoyed by flicker on Christmas lights, doesn't seem to be too bad. But yeah, I bought a promotional item. That's all I'm gonna say about that. My wife is like, that's kind of odd, but you know what? It's an expensive hobby, I guess. So follow along, we're gonna put all these on the house this year. I'm gonna probably do red and white. Last year I did multicolored. This year will probably be red and white because the neighborhood wants to do that. And I am all about making the neighborhood look cool of the holidays. So thanks for watching, subscribe, like, we'll do some Christmas lights, especially around Thanksgiving. So have a great evening. Thanks for watching.